From improving your heart health to boosting your immunity, raisin water has some amazing health benefits. Raisin water helps you keep a lot of health problems at bay. Drinking raisin water is an age-old remedy that is used for treating health and liver-related problems. Here is how you can make raisin water at home and what are the benefits of drinking it every day. Always choose the dark-colored raisins for making raisin water because black raisins are sun-dried grapes without any add-on chemicals. How to make raisin water. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 150 grams of raisin. Steps to be followed. Boil some water in a pan and soak some raisins in it overnight. Strain the water and heat it again on the low flame. Drink this water on an empty stomach. Wait for 30 to 35 minutes before having your breakfast. Do this continuously for 4 days and you will see the difference. Cut down on sugar as raisins carry natural sugar. Benefits of consuming raisin water. Number 1. Liver detox. Raisin water stimulates a particular biochemical process in liver, which results in enhanced purification of the bloodstream. This helps in easy digestion as well as maintaining liver health as raisin water is rich in minerals and vitamins. Number 2. Blood purifier. Raisins have been suggested by doctors and medical practitioners since long for increased hemoglobin levels and purification of blood. Raisins are grapes rich in vitamins and minerals and less sugar as they are dried. They have all the goodness sans the sugar. Number 3. Improves digestion. Raisins have fiber that is great for your digestive system. Drinking raisin water helps in improving digestion. It also keeps digestive issues like constipation and indigestion at bay. Drinking this water regularly helps in improving bowel movement. Raisin water detoxifies your body by flushing the toxins out of your body. Number 4. Prevents anemia. Drinking this water is beneficial for those who have an iron deficiency. Raisin is rich in iron and helps in increasing the blood supply in the body. It prevents anemia. Number 5. Increased heart health. Apart from purification of bloodstream, raisin water helps in maintaining heart health. It reduces your triglyceride levels and helps in elimination of bad cholesterol apart from a clean gut and enhanced digestion. This all contributes to a healthier heart. Number 6. Perfect antioxidant. It is grapes that we are talking about, as we all know that grapes are a great source of natural bioflavonoids, which are the best natural antioxidants that protect us from free radicals and help us with an enhanced defense system.